The enemy is retreating.
Run! These dumbasses, they don't fear us.
They fear nothing.
They will though.
They fear only God.
I am God. This is God's car. Let's go.
Let's get in this tracker and ruin these bitches.
Leave the tracker.
Oh shit. They're angry. They're angry.
Every time I see those things, I think of the birds.
Ah! They're angry.
Every time I see them, I think of Alfred Hitchcock and the birds. Alright. You won't be able to hear us once we start driving, but...
Get out of my way! Come on!
Why don't they fear us? Let's send these bastards to Iraq. Run! Fear me! I will hit you! I will hit you and cook you for chicken wings!
They fear nothing!
What? They're speed running, that little bastard.
Alright. I think that's enough. Don't hit that car. Don't hit that car.
Get out of my way! What? You flew earlier! That's it, I'm taking him out.
No, I think, calm down. I think we should go home. Calm down. Oh shit.
Oh, you cheeky little bastard!
They're going back!